Let me show you how to use exfoliating cleanser. First, wet your hands with warm water. Then, take 1 to 2 pumps into your palm. Then gently make this into a lather. This activates our Magic MicroFoam Technology to release the energizing botanicals. You'll see that unlike harsh soaps, our Magic MicroFoam Technology makes thousands of microbubbles. I designed the bubbles to be extremely tiny, so they clean deeper into your pores. Now, put the lather gently on your face and allow the foam to sit for 10 seconds. Let yourself relax and take a break for those 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, rinse off with cool water to close your pores. Then gently pat dry with a towel. Remember, always avoid rubbing your face with harsh acne brushes or scrubbing with washcloths. Immediately after you use exfoliating cleanser, you'll see a real difference in your skin. Also, be sure to change your towel and pillowcase at least every second day. Check out all of our products at anjalimd.com and be sure to follow me on Instagram. I post there almost daily.